article today, right?
What the article say? So I'm gonna see the article there. What the article
Somebody,
say?
Lisa, I pregnant, or what the case might be.
So how them know say me pregnant?
I don't know, because probably have an interview with somebody
I
and
true my belly look big. No, I'm not have no interview with nobody. I true my belly look big. Everybody has say my belly big.
so basically now, when put you to the on the internet, I lie them I tell.
No, girl.
No, I'm just ask a question.
Belly, so me just say my belly big.
No, but another it's a pregnant.
Oh, me not know I must have true foot a hype attack that man.
Oh, so you're not breathing.
Me never said that neither.
Yo, listen, you
Me never said that neither, lava. You can't put word in my mouth. Zin?
I'm not do that. I ask a question.
Me say me never said that.
Something.
Me answer your question.
Oh, you say you never
I answer
said
your
that
question
neither.
by
But
saying me never said that neither. So here what? Me may be pregnant then. Me may be pregnant.
Bombok. Oh. So you maybe like it. So when you're like when you're planning to do a pregnancy test, or you just go and hold out. What I don't know what.
Me not ready to do the test yet.
Okay, so if you're pregnant, I would like you to come and chat and laugh and share it to the world. Can you do that?
We don't know.
Why?
We don't know if me want to do that.
Well, Secretary say you're the godfather.
So I'm not the godfather. I'm the godfather, of course.
Oh. Okay.
Why Adi don't behave himself?
Me no know. Me say ask.
Him can't chat.
So listen now, Lisa. Pregnancy.
Him tell you no, it's not me tell you no nothing. It's him tell you no.
You want to tell about God don't baby get Lisa out. But listen what I'm saying to you, Lisa. Lisa.
Yes.
Pregnancy is something you cannot hide. It's something that coming. And I want to look on Mark you get by your side where you can cover it. Come on, Lisa, man. What I look for something there. With the Wi-Fi, fucking safe now, Lisa. Come on. Come on. Okay. Well, Lisa there. So she don't know. 13,000 over a year. Lisa, we need her back on the live real quick. Lisa, we need her back on the live. Lisa, were you there? Lisa, were you there? You talking about Lisa Daps. Can't bother. Hey, when to mix up the blood clot over here, you know. Lisa, were you there? Nah, man. This not going on. This not going away. You know, I'm gonna really want the artist them vex with me still, you know. If when you hear somebody I mention the name over here, I have no control over it. All right. Yeah, have decline on it. Twin man, don't worry yourself, man. Like, stay away there. I don't know. Why keep on pressing or something there? Clot. Lana, so trouble make I just reach over here too. Clot. Hello? No, you'd have to type something on the wall before we can do that. So type something on the wall. Type something on the wall. One of the people that know the network are going to send in the night, yeah? Good night to the X-Gang family. Pretty and big up. Everybody over here say big up. We know the regular routine already as on the log on the share. Fuck that shit. As on the log on the share. Lisa, I said she don't know if she's pregnant. I don't know. So just want to get something real quick and fast. Well, one hour extra tonight. Hold on. Come on, Lisa, man. Send back something, man. We'll get rid of this. Come on, man. Everybody are rolling now. 12,000 add over here. Moving on to 13,000. When I give you everybody have to say tonight, because tonight is very fucking festive. What's the cloud now?
Lava.
Good night.
Why pray?
Yeah, go on with you.
Hold on, let me talk to you. Because what do you chat be a fuck clip on the chat and laugh. You know? Hold on there. With the girl named Malibu, tell Malibu so she look like a bluefish when I find in him. But the ugly girl if you stop cause blood clot problem. Tell the Shrek looking eat that blood clot stop cause problem. You understand me? I say lava?
Yeah.
10 tour in I want to release a hype. Because I know a general. The general have a hold on. Hold on. For what you may have to talk, you know. For what you may have to talk, you know. Yo, me teacher, I'm general. Big up your damn self, you know. Teacher for the life, you know. Lava, you hear me?
Yeah.
I want to crosses you for your life, what do you know? What do you mean say I want to catch infection through your life? And all them blood clot them.
Come on,
Arthritis, color fetus. Me say your life I give people corona.
Come on, era, man. Now do the girl. Era, then your iPhone and say, what do you for your life?
No, me iPhone is good, but I want to know who plant the peas.
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
I don't know my youth.
Who plant the peas? Who plant the peas, lava?
Me no know what you're talking about, you know, brother.
10 tour in a one.
Yeah.
10 tour in a one.
What go on now?
I will bring food. I will bring this side.
Me no know.
Me say intense foot type, but him madam foot type over him. Hold on, wait.
Yo.
Hold on, wait. Dexter that breed, Lisa hype. Mirrors clot. Wait, lava, wait. Vibes Cartel, General, the Emperor of the Gaza, teacher, my father. I want question more ask you. Can I ask you the question, please?
Pussy clot.
More ask the teacher one question. When the teacher give me go ahead and say, ask me question, you know. May ask me question, you know. Every teacher say, ask the question asks.
You say yes. Oh, boy.
Me not see a comment and say,
yes, he say yes right there. Yes, him say yes. Him type yes.
me just work on a picture and video every day I send you.
Era by.
You leave that.
The light
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
The light conquer to blood clot. John was star. Can't bother with this, you know. The lights up, it come like the lights up and that really show me. I look up. You know, from early out. Over here, never got blood clot safe. Over here, never got safe. See? God, I mean, light all fuck up.